Hey, how you doing? My name is Brad Nelson. I'm president of X Digital. We're based in San Diego, California. Really, this video is for you. If you're looking for an alternative maintenance provider, a third-party maintenance company, please feel free to reach out to X Digital. We're on the market to add probably about 5 or 6 Versant 180s in the Southern California marketplace. We already maintain about 25, but we're looking to add a few more to our fleet. We service anywhere from San Diego all the way up to LA on full service maintenance contracts, meaning we provide all the labor, the parts, the supplies that you need for your machine. So if you're in the market, if you need service on your Versant 180, if you're not happy with your current provider, we'd be happy to step in and fill that gap. So please hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out all the time. If you want to reach out to us, if you have any questions about service on the Versant, if you're looking to purchase a Versant, anyway, reach out to us via our phone number, our email address, or through our website. Thanks so much for watching our video.